Hi, in this quick video, I want to show you how you can use make.com to automate your brief creation process or all the pre-work required for your YouTube videos by using YouTube data API. So you can extract what has been working in your channel, get all the details from there, and then create some customized ideas specifically for your channel. So you'll be able to create daily video content ideas completely tailored to your channel and to your audience. So I'm going to jump right into it. For this workflow. By the way, this workflow will be included in the video, so you can download it and you can use it. And by the way, if you haven't done the YouTube data API connection, I have another video which I'll be also including where you can check that how to do that. Okay, so first thing you'll need to get your channel ID. I'm going to show you how you can get that. So you're just going to click here in your channel. Then you're going to click Manage Videos, and then you'll enter to YouTube Studio. And here you'll go to settings. Inside settings, you'll go to channel, then advanced settings, and after that, manage YouTube account. And here, once again in advanced settings, you'll get the channel ID. So why is this important? Because we need that channel ID to make that request to extract the information. So this is public data. And yeah, so that's the first step. And once we have that, we'll include it here. Then we're going to use a prompt. You'll be able to see the details of the prompt, but basically we're asking to kind of role play for a YouTube content strategist to create 5 new videos. It needs to analyze the video data of the top 5 performing videos in the last 30 days, which we will give to AI, and create video ideas. But really important here is that we are including more context to that prompt, and we're including the ICP. I mean, who is our target audience, which you can tailor. What is the objective of these videos that we're creating, and what is the channel context. So this way, the video content creation ideas are super tailored to what you need. Okay, so here, once you have the YouTube connection, we're going to get the top 5 videos in the last 30 days. So here, you can use just plug and play this code. We are including the channel ID. We are getting all the videos published from prior to 30 days, and we're getting only 5 results. So that's the request we're doing here. Once we get those channel IDs, because that's what we need, I mean video IDs, we are asking the YouTube data API to get all the statistics, the snippet, and the content details of those videos. The 5 videos that we requested, which are our top performing for that month. Then we're basically creating or kind of parsing, let's say, that recent video performance data for video 1. We're getting the title, description, duration, view count, like count, favorite count, comment count for video 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So once we have that information, in this case, we're using O1 Preview, which is a great model to have chain of thought, to really go through the process or the guidelines that you are asking the model to run. And then we're feeding in the prompt. We are feeding some context about the data that we got from the YouTube data API. We are providing the channel context, we're providing the ICP and our objective. And finally, once we have the output from this model, we're just sending that information to our email. So we can have this automation to run every day, let's say at 8 a.m. And here just final replace to remove the new line for a break line, just as some kind of HTML specific structure. Awesome. So this way, you can have daily video content ideas based on your top performing videos in the last 30 days, and you can really ease up the process of create content. Hope this was valuable, and yeah, this way you don't have to hire us to do this for you. And remember, don't repeat, automate. Bye.